In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add carousel in Framer. If you're designing a site or a landing page and want to showcase multiple images, testimonials, or product cards without overwhelming a single section, a carousel is a clean, space-saving solution. Framer makes this quick and visual so you can focus on content and polish instead of heavy setup. Start by going to Framer and opening the project where you want the carousel to live. You can work on an existing page or a fresh canvas. The process is the same. Make sure you're in the design canvas view so you can see your frames and layers clearly. It helps to decide in advance which section of the page should hold the carousel, since placement and spacing will guide how it looks across breakpoints. Next, click on Insert. You'll find this in the main interface as the entry point to everything you can add to your canvas. Think of it like your toolbox: components, layout primitives, media, and more. If you've got a lot going on in your project, using Insert keeps things organized so you're not hunting through layers to create new elements. As you open it, you'll notice categories that group related components, which speeds up the process of finding the right building block. From there, click on Interactive. This category contains components designed to respond to clicks, swipes, and other user actions. It's where you'll find elements that add behavior to your design rather than just static visuals. Browsing here helps you stay consistent with interactive patterns that already work well in Framer, which is especially useful if you're aiming for predictable motion and accessibility out of the box. Now click on Carousel. Framer will add a ready-made carousel component to your canvas, complete with default slides and navigation controls. You'll see it appear like any other layer, so it's easy to position within your layout and align it with surrounding content. Because it's a component, it's designed to be flexible. You can later adjust things like spacing, slide content, and the overall size to match your design system. If you're planning to use images, preparing them at consistent dimensions will keep transitions smooth and prevent layout shifts. For text-based slides, keep copy concise to maintain rhythm as users move from one item to the next. And when you preview your page, pay attention to how the carousel behaves on smaller screens. Clear pagination and readable content make a big difference on mobile. That's all there is to it. You've added a carousel in Framer using the built-in interactive component, setting a solid foundation for dynamic, scrollable content.